Hi everyone. Now we're going to come up with the second rule of multiplying powers. It's called power of a power. I'm going to try my best not to say the word power, but I know it's not going to work because of the name of the property. So what does that mean? Look inside the parentheses where you have a power with a base of 3 and exponent of 2. And I'm trying to find the power, the second power of this one, which the 3 to the power 2 becomes the base, to the power of 4, exponent of 4. Let's use repeated multiplication to come up with a rule. That means the base is repeated 4 times. So 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2. If you remember the product of power, it means keep the base the same, add the exponents. The base is 3. I'm going to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That gives you 8. Let's try it one more time with a variable to see what happens. W to the power 2 becomes the base, and I'm trying to find the power with an exponent of 3. So w to the power 2 is repeated 3 times. W to the power 2 times w to the power 2 times w to the power of 2. Keep the base the same, add the exponents. W to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Did you notice what happened to the exponents now? You started with 2 and 4, end up with 8. 2 and 3, end up with 6. You multiplied them. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. So the power of a property states, if you have a power with a base of a and exponent of m, trying to find the second power where a to the power of m becomes the base and the exponent of n. You keep the base the same, which is a, and you multiply the powers m times n. Let's try it one more time with an example. Let's say 2 to the power of 4, all of it to the power of 6. That's a power of a power. Keep the base the same, multiply the exponents. 4 times 6 equals 2 to the power of 24. Now let's try one more time with a variable. What if you have y to the power 3? All of it to the power of 10. That's a power of a power. Keep the base the same, multiply the exponents. 3 times 10, your answer is y to the power of 30, and that's your answer as a power. If you remember, evaluate the expression means I need to find the answer for this whole expression. Let's combine both of them and know the difference. This one is product of powers, so you're multiplying those two powers. You keep the base the same, and you add the exponent. 4 plus 5 is 9. Bring the minus down. Now this is a power of a power, so keep the 2, which is the base, and multiply the exponents. 2 times 2 is 4. Now according to order of operation, you have to evaluate the exponent first before you subtract. 2 to the power of 9 is 512. Bring the minus down. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Now you can subtract them. 512 minus 16 is 496. This is your answer, or when you evaluate the expression. We only have one more rule to find of multiplying powers, and we'll do that the next lesson. Have a great day.